Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play C&c Red Alert 2 on Windows 10. First, you'll need to get the game. The easiest way is through Command & Conquer, the ultimate collection on Steam, or the EA app. While original discs might struggle with installation on modern systems, digital versions are generally more straightforward. The key to a smooth experience is often the community-made C&c Net Launcher, which provides essential fixes and enhancements. Once you have the game, download and run the C&c Net installer. This fantastic community project automatically applies crucial compatibility patches and bug fixes, making Red Alert 2 run smoothly on your Windows 10 system. It's important to note that for the best experience and full functionality with C&c Net, you should also have the Yuri's Revenge expansion installed alongside the base game. If you encounter issues or prefer a more manual approach, try adjusting compatibility settings. Right-click on the game's executable files like RRAY2, EXE and RRAY2MD, EXE, and set them to run in Windows 7 or 8 compatibility mode. Also, ensure you enable the Run This program as an administrator option. Sometimes, installing the DirectX Redistributables package from June 2010 can resolve missing component errors. To enjoy Red Alert 2 in higher resolutions, locate the ddrawcompat .ini file in your game directory. Open it and change the support resolutions line to native. Then, in the game's main menu, type the word hires to unlock more display options. This allows for a much sharper visual experience on modern monitors. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. These steps will help you relive the classic RTS action with improved visuals and stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.